Okay, today so we're on the bike and we're kind of in Taipa. Just to give you some references, that's Galaxy Casino right there. That's the Cotai Strip. This right here is called Samyak Middle School. It's actually an English school, and I think it's what's that religion called? It's Seventh-day Adventist, I think, something like that. So so they have the fear of the Lord as beginning of wisdom, but they have a nice basketball court, and generally I think a lot of go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. A lot of like Filipino kids will often go here. Some of them will go to the Chinese schools and study Chinese, but this one is actually an English medium one. But it's like the lowest cost of the English medium ones, and you have lots of different people, Chinese of course, but it's kind of a popular option for Filipinos with kids. But to be honest, they go everywhere, and they, you know, like, but it's just anyways, let's see if we can get around here somehow. So we're gonna try to go that way on that sidewalk here, and show you a little bit of Taipa basketball court. I'm not sure how people get in these basketball courts. I don't know if they need permission and they have a key. I don't think anybody can go in because it's gated, but it is what it is. And then over here there's another one. It's called that right there is the Olympic swimming pool. So they have different stuff there for swimming, and then this one is soccer and other stuff as well. So straight ahead would be Taipa, and then this way is Taipa Village. So I'm gonna try to go a little bit slow because there's, but anyways, you're kind of getting another feel for what this looks like in this area. Go to be a little careful here. We'll go around. So yep, there's a lot of people will come here, but again, this one also has, this one is available to the public, so a lot of people will exercise there or go running there. This one, I guess you can go through this door right here. So I guess there is access to it. It's one of the sports facilities, so people can do sport though right there. So I think this is the front entrance to it, and looks like you can also do, I think they also have ping pong and things like that too. Let me see if I can find an opening that we could look into. So it's kind of hard to see in there. Anyways, and then over here there's lots of people exercising here. And in a minute we're just gonna go right into Taipa with our bike and try to go slow and as nice as we can so we don't cause any problem here. Beautiful trees. So yeah, that's the sports center. So actually in Macau it's kind of funny. It's like high density. There's also these kind of cool walkways, like this whole path. So you can walk down this path and then also this path here too. And then you got your sports centers. So it's a high density area with kind of a lot of cool stuff. And there's a McDonald's. So okay, I'm gonna try to take the bike out of the sidewalk and into that area over there. Kind of have to go slow out of respect for pedestrians. Ice cream shop, very popular today. And we're gonna take this crosswalk right here. And let's see, we're gonna go right here. Okay, so this is where we're gonna end our trip right here. So we basically just did a short little trip. You got to see a little bit of Taipa, and I film in here all the time, so I'm probably gonna take a bike and just film it as well. Or I might park the bike and walk around. Maybe that's better. So my little bike tour today, doing bike stuff. We're gonna slowly go into this little area. It's probably not the best place for a bike. Oh, actually I guess there's bikes in here anyways. I guess I haven't really noticed before. Usually I'm always walking, so I usually don't take my bike. I have to get it all the way over here, which takes, I have to go, well, it takes about 20 to 30 minutes. But a bus will just be minutes, right? so okay.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.